What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and it's Sunday. Yeah, that's right. Coronavirus gone. We're rid of it, dude. Actually, I never had the coronavirus, guys. I was just kidding around in the last video. I didn't know you guys were going to take me that serious, but I do appreciate everybody expressing their thoughts and concerns, making sure that we were feeling better. But anyways, I am kicked the cold. We're feeling good. We got everything loaded up to go to the track today. Look what else we got loaded up. The GTR, yeah, that's right. My beloved GTR is going home to a new owner. I sold it, guys. It's gone. So you know what that means. We got a little extra spending money. So we got to add a new toy to the channel. What should we add? I've been thinking about something a little exotic. I don't know. Maybe a Lambo, maybe a Huracan, maybe a McLaren. I like the McLarens too. I've also been thinking, you guys are probably gonna give me a thumbs down on this. Don't do it, don't do it. Anyways, a Tesla. I really like the Teslas, a P100D. So anyways, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about that? What do you want to see us add to the channel? Do you want to see us pull out, do you want to see CM $sign whip it in the Lambo? Or do you want to see us pull in the battery Bentley, the Tesla? So anyways, the GTR is loaded up. We got all the bikes loaded up in the trailer. We're all ready to go. We've got, let me show you what we got inside today. We got the ZX14, we got the GSXR 1000 with the new transmission, and we got Tyrell's 2716 ZX10. We got the new transmission in it too, guys. So I think we're gonna go really fast today. It's supposed to be super nice weather, a little over 60 degrees. I'm looking forward to it. Let's get loaded up and get out of here. See ya. Alright guys, we made it Shady Side Dragway. We got the whole squad here today. BJ, Big Country, Ralphie, Pablo, we're all here. So anyways, I just made the first hit on the ZX14. Toted the tire to probably the 330. Went a 585 at 129. I'm getting pretty consistent with that number. Doing pretty good. We are about to run the 2020 1000, and then we are getting everything prepped on this all carbon fiber grudge bike. This is not the one you guys saw on the dyno the other week. That is a different bike. They all kind of sort of look the same, but anyways, this is another one that we're testing out for a customer. And I did forget the GoPro, all the attachments for the onboard mount. So we do not have any onboard action with the microphone today. I do apologize about that. But look at there, Big Country coming through. He's got the gimbal, he's ready. He's putting in time, he's putting in work. Cameraman, give him a big shout out and a thanks in the comments. All right guys, here we go. So we just made the first hit on the new 1000. Dude, this transmission is gonna be the shit. Something didn't quite go right with the shifting, so I think we had the shifter just out of adjustment just a smidge. All this stuff was just apart this past week, and I didn't test drive it though. It's been kind of cold lately, so I didn't get to take it down the road. But I don't know, I hope you can see this. 124 60 foot. 124 first rip. It even bobbed the tire just a little bit, so I think this is really what we've been needing. I've got a 48 tooth rear sprocket on it. We did have a 51, and we've never achieved a 60 foot like this. Now we got a 48, and we went a 124. So I really hope that we can adjust this shifter and everything works fine on it, so we can get another hit. There's Ralphie. Ralphie, first day at the racetrack. Now, what do you think about it?
I like it pretty good, Daddy. It's fun, it's fun.
Chris on a stock motor ZX10. Andrew on the stock motor Busa. Who you like? Let us know in the comments. Who y'all like, the 10 or the Busa? We got a wreck on the other end. Fire. Not good. A Busa.
Alright guys, so we just made the first pass on the Tyrell ZX10. It went a 531, 130 60 foot, and I didn't even feel like it was that clean of a pass. You guys just saw the video. I think we got room for improvements. There was a, right after I ran, there was a real bad, uh-oh, we gotta get Ralphie, we gotta get Ralphie. Ralphie's running away. All right, so we wrangled up Ralphie. But anyways, right after I ran the pass, I was getting my time slip at the ticket booth, and a good friend of mine went down on his bike. He hit the brakes too hard. I don't know what happened. Anyways, he took a spill at the end of the track. It was super scary. He skidded by me at probably 100 and something miles per hour on fire. So anyways, as you can imagine, I don't even know where the time slip is at. I think Big Country has it, but we were basically, I parked my bike as quick as I could and tried to run and see what was going on with him. So Ralphie, what was that? What was that, Ralphie? But anyways, we're gonna say a little prayer for him. Hopefully he has a speedy recovery, and we're gonna get these things back ready to go and make another pass. you think about them passes? Now, that was 2 clean passes. Dude, I feel like I'm riding these things to the best of my ability. Jumping from bike to bike like this. I know you guys can't tell how much time is taken in between runs, but like literally I'm getting off the GSXR 1000 and then going as fast as I can back to the line to get in line with the ZX10. So literally the time, I never take my helmet off or anything. So both of these bikes definitely ride different as far as how you have to ride them. So I feel like I'm doing a good job with the clutches on both of them, getting the 60 foots both fair and consistent. So we're gonna walk inside and look at the time slips. Both of these things are complete absolute monsters. So the GSXR 1000 just went a excuse me guys, 526 at 134 miles per hour. It's kind of hard to see these stupid time slips, but 526 at 134 with a 125 60 foot. The ZX10, the first pass, it went a, hopefully you can see this, 130 60 foot with a 531 at 135.22. So the ZX10 actually went more mile per hour than the GSXR 1000 on that pass. And then the second pass, it went a 530 flat, 530 at 134.93 with a 129 60 foot. So the 60 foot is a little better on the Suzuki. And I feel like a lot of that is due to the torque. The Suzuki makes more torque. And so anyways, that helps it get up out of the hole a little better. But man, both of these things, complete absolute monsters. If you're on the fence about buying a new sport bike and you want to do some drag racing, whether you're thinking ZX14, GSXR 1000, dude, you better look at these 1000s, man. These things are unreal. 124 60 foot earlier on the pass that didn't shift gears on the GSXR 1000. That is insane. And it's not like it's cold outside. Guys, it's 65 degrees outside. It's nice warm weather. And I can't say enough about these two bikes. Both of them are super badass. Anyways, hopefully we get to make one more pass before they run out of time today. And currently Pablo has Ralphie in the chokehold. Oh man, so I just got confirmation that was our last pass we made a while ago. There, like I said, after the accident we had earlier, and then I think there was another oil down, cut our day short on fun. We didn't get to make that many passes, but camera girl here has built up enough courage to do some talking on the camera. She wants to tell you about her fastest pass ever so far. She show them how fast you went.
556.
556, fellas. 131 miles an hour. So that more Mafia tune right there. I mean, that's another one. What was your 60 foot?
1.46.
146 60 foot. So not leaving crazy hard. Still goes 550s. 131 miles an hour. You cannot beat these things, guys. All right, appreciate you joining us for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Smash that like button, guys. All right, see ya.